Today is our last section. Time flies. I'm so impressed about the Christmas card you guys did. So if you haven't sent, share your link to your friends and family and wish them the best Christmas with your card, please do so. And you can share to your teacher as well, just to give them your best wish to them. So let's just review everybody's work from the last time. Yeah, it's official 5:50, so I just start to review everybody's work while we are still waiting for a couple more students to join. Okay, so Justin is not here yet. Daniel just logged in. Let's review Clemens first. So this is from last time. Did I mute the side? Yeah, I mute the side. Let me unmute my side. Oh, so this is again one. Yeah. So Clement adding the again already. I mean the time already. It's good. Cool. So if you want to make it more fun, background as well for Clement. Do we have everybody? Daniel is Daniel, right? Justin, hi Justin. Would you mind turn on your camera? Okay, so good job for Clement. Check mark for your hard work. Let's review Zoe's. Let me refresh it. I think that's unwrapped. Okay, let me see inside. Let's unwrap should be invisible here. And then once the time's up, and then it will show up. So let's play it again. Maybe my cool, pretty cool. So if you want to add the background music, you can do it maybe at the backstage here, just to make the game more fun. But very good job, Zoe. Given your age, I think you're the youngest here, but you still finish it. Good job, Zoe. I give credit to the parents as well. Every time you guys are in class, I see the mom is helping one and the dad is helping the other. Two sisters. So in the next Scratch class, I'm going to make it a little bit easier because this is a project. I want you to have some final product by the end of the December or by the end of the class, so you can send out and share to everybody. That's why it's a little bit challenging. But in our next Scratch class, we are going to go like block by block, just to make sure we do everything here on different block, and we'll cover how this different block
annotate
like the sensing part. We haven't used all of them, but in the next year's class, Scratch class, we will be going more detailed into this, and also operation. We learned some of this before, but we haven't learned like a join banana and apple. That means concat two string together. But yeah, we will learn more in detail in the next Scratch class. And okay, so that's Lois. Good job. And who else? Catherine. Let's check out Catherine's. Where's the bell? Let's check it inside the bell. Bell. Let me just remove this. When the bell click, when green click, black click, bell will hide. It doesn't
annotate. You screenshot. Yo, I cannot keep that much photos.
Sorry. This one probably, I don't know why it's here. Where's my bell? Bell, the invisible. Okay, let me change it to visible again. So okay, there we go. Now the fox carry the bell. So you probably accidentally drag the other block from maybe the other block to, you know, that was a code that I deleted because that code it make the bell disappear. So so Catherine just and I also show the bell here. So whenever it get clicked, your bell should be showing. Okay, so I need to drag this short back to here when the program start to run or when the green flag got clicked it, and then the bell will show. Okay, so yeah. Other than that, your program looks very good. And you can add some more background music if you like. Okay, so good job. And Catherine and Clement is the first time trying to learn Scratch. So yeah, I'm really impressed about your progress so far because like, this is a little bit fast pass because I want you to produce some products that you can send out this card or this game for your friends and family to play during the holidays. So the pass is a little bit faster. In next year, the new Scratch class, we will go over all this block into detail because we have more time to talk about the Scratch. We will be also talk about some of the extension that we didn't cover here because there are some pen extension that you can do something like a stamp of like creating stamps here and there or creating trace. You know, like a snail, whenever you crawl everywhere and the snail will leave a trace. So the pen is a function to do that. But in this Christmas project, we just want to create some Christmas card animations and also games. Okay, so yeah, good job, Catherine. Who else? Yvonne. Yvonne's project. Justin and Daniel, would you mind turn on your camera so I can see?
I'm wearing pajamas.
Well, I don't mind. You can just show your face. There we go. So yeah, this is Yvonne. Oh, I'm not good at hitting the gift. Yeah, but it's a fun game. The gift. Finally, I got you. Okay, good job, Yvonne. I know you are very good. All right, so time's up. Next one, this is Elvin's. Let's check out Elvin's. Who is the S there? Who is the super S there? Good job, Elvin. So if you like, you can probably change the background music to something else than bell. Because currently we have the bell sound. Yeah, you can probably change to something more interesting. Song. Choose a song. Voice. Maybe you can import this and then choose this, and you can adjust the volume like to make it softer. Okay, so once it's here, and go back to the call and space ambulance. I know it's funny to place that. There we go. So your background music will be different. So, maybe pick something more fun because I'm just use this as an example, but you can pick another audio song that sounds more like more fun. But good job, Alvin. Very good job. Who else? Justice. We're missing. We have Miss Daniel and Timothy. Yeah, where's Daniel and Timothy? I saw your post earlier. How come it's no more here? Anyway, this is Justin's. Cool. You don't have any sound effect, right, Justin?
I don't have any sound effects.
Yeah, so you can just try to add that in, and you don't have the time. You have the time variable yet?
No.
Okay, yeah. So if you want to enhance this project by adding the time variable and sound effect, that will be even more fun. Okay, good. So then, Daniel and Timothy, do you have your link somewhere? Oh yeah, there we go. This is Timothy or Daniel's? Oh, no more. So Timothy, do you have your project ready? Did you save it from last time? I thought I was able to view it last time. Probably you didn't save it or you didn't share it. Did you share it? Because once you open your project from here, I can copy and then paste back to you. Probably it's just not shared, so I cannot see it. So this is either Daniel or Timothy. Daniel, would you mind turn on your camera so I see your face? All right. So anytime when you finish the project, you just send me the link and we can review it again. Whenever you see other people's work, then it gives you some creativity or critical thinking as well. Okay. So for today, we are just going to, oh, sorry, not this one. We're just going to review some of the Scratch block that we have been looking. So actually, let me open one of an empty project. New project. So I'm just give a review very quickly, and then we are going to play a quizzes again, and then to examine how far or how have you learned so far. Okay, so back to a blank Scratch project. This part is called a workspace. And this is the main character, the canvas or the applications that it's going to play here. But this is our workplace. And in workplace, we have three sections: the code section, the costume section, where you can duplicate it, and you can change, you can group and ungroup. Like right now, if I want to make my head, move my body, maybe making another long body, long neck, I can do that in costume, and I can always duplicate it and give it a different net. So whenever you duplicate, make sure you give it a meaningful name that you know what this costume is about. Okay, and you can always import song. If you want to play the song in a faster speed, you can do that. In a slower speed, you can do that as well. So, or you can do a fade in, fade out. Fade in, it's just that it becomes softer when it starts to play. And fade out is that it becomes softer once it's close to the ending. Okay. So those are just different sections. And Sprite is the main character here. And if you want to upload your own Sprite, like so, for example, you take a picture of yourself, you want to upload your own picture, you can do this by here. Click the upload Sprite, and then you can click the file of your image file. Okay, and the backstage is here. You can change different backdrop, and of course you can upload your own backdrop as well. So again, just choose an image to upload, or you can paint your own backdrop. So this is the default one, is blank one, and you can create, say, okay, create a blue sky, something like a blue sky. So, and then you can use maybe an eraser and change the eraser to a very big size, like 60, and create a tunnel. So imagine this is underwater. This doesn't look like water color. Okay. Now it looks more like water. Say, for example, this is water, and then this is the land. You can easily create your own backdrop like this. Okay, this is actually one of the, again, I'm going to show you one of the, again, like this one. This is one of the Scratch pen. Sorry, this noise. I have to mute the side. So this is just one of the game. Like we create a tunnel, and the cat needs to navigate to the tunnel and to the destination, the home. But if I touch the edge, my cat dies. So everything stops. Then I have to start all over. So yeah, so that's what, just one another project you can do. Like you draw your own backdrop. Okay, so couple more review. If you want to make your sprite move, you go to the motion block. Go to the motion block, so you can move 10 steps, and you can set up the direction first. Point in direction, always set up the point in direction to tell the sprite which direction to go. Going down means 180. Going left means negative 90. Going right means positive right, positive 90. Okay, and then once you tell it where to go, then you can move. Or you can manually move your cat to wherever you are satisfied the location, and then you can see the X and Y value change. And then once it's changed to that position, then you can drag this to here. So you will just go to a specific location. Okay, that's a cat. Like that's a cat here. It go to from there, and then go to the starting point every time. So or you can use the gliding. Gliding means like gradually move to there. So you can see the animation is moving from one position to another one. Say for example, I can put this here. So maybe 5 seconds, that will make it more. See, right now it takes 5 seconds to render, to glide to a random position, which is 141 for X, negative 76 for Y. So if you're using the glide, then it will show the animation gradually. Others we have used it before, the change or set. Set means like you just put it into exact that location. But change means you increase x by 10. So if it was at 140 before, 141 before, and if we change it by 10, it's going to become 151 because you add that by 10. But if you change by negative 10, then it's going to become 131 because you negate it by 10. Okay, so that's pretty much about the blue block. And the purple block here, just to ask, to display some text. The difference between say and the sync is like a sync is like a bubble, but say is exactly it will display for 2 seconds. It's just different shapes. And then you can switch costume here, switch the costume or switch the backdrop, change the size, change the color, and you can clear everything. Say for example, if you change, there's a ghost effect we did before, right? The ghost effect, and you don't want the ghost effect anymore, then you can just use this clear graphic effects. So if the image, the sprite becomes transparent, now it will become non-transparent again. The default, whatever you created in the costume here, it will be changed back to here. If you clear all those graphic effects. And some layer things, we also play around the layer things. If like right now, the cat is at the front layer. If you make the cat to go to the back layer, then it will be blocked by the tunnel. So if I replay this again, the cat is gone because it's being blocked by the tunnel here. Okay, so that's pretty much about the purple block, and let's move to the sun block, which is the pink block, pink section. You can change the pitch or you can set it up, or you can change the volume. That's pretty straightforward. And the event here, we have the when star and when different key are pressed. Those are just the alphabetic and the number, and also the arrow key.
And also any.
Yeah, and there's any key as well. Any means there's any, like even the symbol key, like punctuation symbol key. Okay, and when the sprite is clicked or when the backdrop switch, so those are just different events that may happen. And the broadcast message, we also go over this. Loudness timer. There's a special variable called loudness and timer in the event here. Okay, but we didn't touch this before. We haven't learned this before, but in the next Scratch class, we probably can go over this. Yeah, so just five more minutes of all this review, and then we're going to do the quiz. Okay, so control. This is just wait and repeat or forever, if or if else. Or you can do wait, repeat, stop all, or I think we played all of this before. So, and when I start a clone, remember we did this snow flag. You have to create a clone of snow flag. And you can delete that snow flag, delete this clone. Clone just means a copy of itself. Okay, sensing. So you can sense about your mouse. you can sense about your sprite, and you can also sense about different colors touching each other. And you can also ask for user input, say, hey, what's your name? And add, and wait. Whatever the user typing their name will be putting into the answer variable. So there's a special variable called answer, whatever they type in. So if I put this, when click, what's your name? You will ask, what's your name here? Or it's been blocked by the time here. What's your name? And I type in, my name is
Joshua.
Joshua, okay, Joshua. The answer, you see the answer, Joshua is there.
Why is it floating?
Yeah, that was just one of the playing, the gliding effect. I can take out the gliding.
Oh, can I tell random?
Okay. So you can set your sprite to draggable. That means you can drag, like right now, I can drag this cat around. If you don't want your sprite to be draggable, then just set it not draggable. Okay, reset timer. You see there are two special variables called timer, because it will keep counting how much time has been elapsed since you click the flag. And loudness, I guess that's just for the music.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So operator, and this is a little bit sophisticated. Don't worry about this now. We will leave this for the advanced class. And same thing for variable. You guys did the variable. And you can customize your own block by defining your own function.
I made one different.
All right, so enough review. Let's try to play some game. Where's my library? Do you guys know how? Do you guys know how to play this? So I'm going to share Scratch. Okay, I'm going to share a live quiz, and you have to enter. Go to joinmyquiz.com and enter the code, or I can share this thing to.
Is it like Kahoot?
Yeah, it is like a Kahoot. Who wants to do this with you? To do what with Catherine? To do what with me? So the quiz, yeah, everybody needs to do the quiz. Quiz it. So just click the link from the Zoom chat, or if you can join myquiz.com and type your name. Yeah, type your name, and then you'll be able to have. Make sure you put your name. No funny name. So for those,
I can change my background if you do a lot of that.
Catherine is here. Zoe. We're waiting for Zoe and Justin, not bad. Daniel and Timothy. Oh, Daniel is here. Timothy, are you able to connect? Zoe is in. Catherine is in. Timothy. Okay, I think we have everybody. Elvin is in, right?
There's 9 players.
Yeah, Elvin is in. Elvin, you have a question?
I remember this quiz from last class.
Is it the same one? No.
No, but like I remember like it was like this.
Yeah, but the question will be different. So no.
Yeah.
Question will be different. Okay, let's start it. So it's timed it, but take your time. Make sure your answer is correct. Question. Justin, not bad. Justin and Joshua, JJ.
I'm doing a little bit good than Kahoot. I'm just making every question right.
Oh, that's one. Put it back. Oh, Daniel is catching up. Daniel, Justin, and Elvin, Clement are very tight. Are you done?
Yeah.
And
And first place.
I got 70%.
Sprite.
Justin, Timothy, Yvonne, and Zoe. Almost. So this is their chance to win 5 more stickers. Number 1 get 5 more stickers. Oh, and number 2 get what? 4 more stickers. Number 3 will get 3 more stickers. Number 4 will get 2 more stickers. Number 5 will get 1 more sticker. Hacker Justin just join again. I'll just count you 1.
No, only for
No, don't do that. Okay, we're waiting for Timothy. Timothy, almost done, Timothy. One last question. All right. Okay, I'm going to mute up my music. Okay, so Joshua is good. It's this one. This one is not. Joshua is here, but he's not on the trial, so don't worry. Daniel, you're going to get 5 more stickers. Yay! Good job. Daniel and Timothy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Justin is going to get 4 more stickers. 4 more check mark, I would say. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where else? Elvin will get 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Catherine will get 2 more. Catherine. And Timothy will get 1 more. Oh, good. And Timothy actually. All right, so I'm just going to count out who is going to get the most sticker. You'll get a prize from me.
start with Daniel and Timothy.
Yeah, I think because they are 2 together.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Wow, you guys got 24 stickers all working together.
Even.
Not even. Elvin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, Yvonne, yourself got 20 alone.
Justin.
Justin. Just two.
1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
5,
2, 3,
6,
4,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13.
14.
14.
Open. Well, 17.
It's Daniel and Timothy. How about Catherine?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, still very good as a first-time learner. Good job. Who am I missing? Yeah. So Daniel and Yvonne, you guys will win a special prize from me. Congratulations. I haven't decided what the gift will be. Yeah.
Wait, who?
So, yeah, it will be something Christmas. Something similar to Christmas. All right, did you guys enjoy the game? Do you want to play another one?
Yes.
You want to play another one? Okay, we have another one.
Yes.
Wait, another question?
Where is my another crazy Isa? Here, Scratch.
Scratch again?
Yeah, of course we are in a Scratch class. I wouldn't give you Python class. I mean, this one is a bit more challenge, but this is just for fun. Okay, this is just for fun. So copy this to link again. Oh, sorry. I should review the previous one before we start this. But you guys, okay. We were just you guys are so eager to play already. We will play this, and then I'm going to review all the answers. I forgot to review all the answers from the previous class, from the previous quiz. Okay, who is anonymous? You?
I don't know.
Joshua is anonymous.
Even not found. Hacker, aka
Clement.
I am a hacker.
But I am anonymous, so you don't know who I am.
Huh?
Clement, are you going to join? Okay.
You are just a golden robot.
Okay, good.
You just told us who you are.
Let's go start. Leaderboard. This one is a little bit long, 20 questions. So take your time. Somebody finish? Okay. Okay, 2% done. Almost. Daniel, Alvin. Oh, Yvonne is catching up. The anonymous is Joshua Nie, so you guys can ignore that. You'll be number 1. I will keep you posted. Don't worry. So I got double the post. All right. Hey, Justin, you're playing again? You're already done. Okay, almost. Most of the people are done. Catherine, Clement, Timothy, Yvonne, and Elvin. All right. Okay, couple more. 1 or 2 more questions for Zoe, Clement, and Daniel is trying to create another one again.
What does Daniel have to do?
No, he just started. He just started a new one. So since this will be our second trial, I'm not going to count this point. So don't worry if you are not done yet. I think we have one more question for Zoe and Clement. Okay. Zoe's done. I'm going to mute this one. Okay. Everybody's done. Good job. So maybe let's review this question. Okay, so congratulations to Alvin, Daniel, Yvonne, Catherine, and Zoe. You guys are top 5. Wow, amazing. Good job. So let's just review this question. Scratch is a program app which use pre-coded block. That's true. I think there's a review more. How do I go into a review more? Okay, I'm going to end this. Wait, is there a way that I can? I think there's another way I can. Okay, maybe I'll just end it. All right, now I can review question. All right, here, Scratch is a program which use pre-coded. That's true because everything, the color is pre-coded. Okay, and when creating a Scratch block are taken. When creating in Scratch, blocks are taken from number 1, the file here. Number 1, file. Okay. The area where the blocks are dragged to and connected to from the program is the number 2 here, Workspace. It's called Workspace. So once the program is complete, you can see it runs correctly in number 3. Number 3 is called Preview. Where do you go and get or add a sprite? It's number 2 here. You add a sprite here with a cat, with a plus sign cat. Where do you go to add a backdrop? It's from here, backdrop, number 1, image number 1. Okay. There can be multiple sprites in a program. Where can you see which sprite you are currently programming? It's number 3 because you are currently highlighted. You highlight that one. Changing the look of sprite is done with the costume. I just reviewed this, right? Which sprite has the most available costume options? You see on the left side here, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this 7 costumes available. And this sprite only have 1. This sprite has 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one has 2. So most available is this one, 8. Which sprite has the fewest available costume? Of course, number 1. This one only has 1. Okay. Next question. When selecting a sprite, you can hold the cursor over the sprite. If it stays the same, it has only 1 costume. If it changes, it has more than 1 costume. Is it true or false? True. Okay. Which would reduce the number of blocks in this program? Okay, so because we have seen so many repetition, move, turn, move, turn, move, turn, move, turn. How many repetition we have seen? Move, turn, move, turn, move, turn, move, turn. So it's a pattern of move, turn for 4 times. Once, twice, 3rd time, 4th time. So it's repeat 4 blocks that containing like 100 steps, move and turn for 90 degrees. Okay, this one is a little bit more advanced, but congratulations for those who answered this code correctly. Okay, which option in the classroom file will cause the sprite to face left instead of right? So we have to do a flip, but is it horizontal or vertical? Horizontal. Horizontal, you can turn that the girl to face to different face to left because currently she's facing right. If you do a horizontal flip, it will do that. If you do a vertical flip, then the head, the foot will be upside down. She will be upside down. Then. That's a vertical flip. Okay. There's nothing. The backward, forward. That's for layer. It has nothing to do with the direction. It's just layer. It will be blocked by another sprite or not. Okay. When conversation is a part of program, everyone should not speak at once, which will allow the sprite to speak individually rather than all of them showing up at the same time. That's called say, or you can also put wait. Okay. A chase game requires this two sprite. True, because like it's a player game. There are multiple ways to make a chaser move. Which of the following will move the chaser where you want it to move? Well, if you do this, I won't blame you. But because we have this one, that's a better choice. This is like whenever the event is happening, then you cause it to move. So this one is actually a better choice than this one. But if you choose this one, I wouldn't blame you because that's part of the answer. It's just if we have this one, it's better. Okay. You can also do this, but because this one is actually a better choice. Like up arrow, and then you make it move 10 sprite, 10 steps. But this one is it just go to a random position. I mean, you can technically you can do that, but because we have this one, this is a better choice. The third one would be better choice. 17, the sprite is being traced. It's different. The player should not know where that sprite is going. Which block will help the sprite being chased to move around without you know where or what? I think the question is very complicated, but judging from the answer here, because you don't know where and when, then most likely it's going to go to a random. This one, why 1 second to random? Okay, you to know how far being traced to move around without knowing. Yeah, I would say this one will also work because this one is also go to a random position. But this one require event called clicking event. So I'll say both of this will be correct, but this one will be more accurate because this one restricted the sprite to be clicked. Which of the following will allow the movement to occur continuously to various positions? So concurrently, continuously, that the one I just talked about. The gliding will create the animation effect, and wrapping in a forever will even get it in go to continuously. Okay, so last 2 questions. When playing the game, scores need to be reset periodically. Which will reset the score when you restart the game? We did this before, so most of you got this right. Okay. Many blocks allow you to set a variable inside. This variable allows you to pick certain aspects of what the blocks use to function. What allows this to happen within the block? Drop down arrow, white circle. Oh, where is it? Shape of the block. drop down arrow. Yeah, I think this question is too complicated. You can ignore this, but drop down arrow definitely will allow you to do this. Okay. All right, so that's a little bit advanced. So, but I do want to review the previous one. So this one, when click, it will make the character spin. Okay, because forever it's going to turn clockwise for 15 degrees, and you will just
Oh, this is fine, Mom. Just scratch,
okay, so sorry,
that's
just take 2
very
more minutes and we'll be done. So second question, I have stage selected.
Library.
So I go to the Sprite and find my block. I have my stage selected because you didn't select the Sprite, you select something else, so it's disappeared. Okay. Program language give computer instruction true. Algorithm is a set of instruction. A costume is how a sprite look. A variable already made for you. Variable are already made. There are some predefined variable, but most of the time you have to make it by yourself. So true or false, I would say true or false, because there are predefined variables such as a timer we just saw earlier. In Scratch, character is called a sprite. And this will make it go to the right because it's going x to plus 10. X plus 10 is going to the right. X minus 10 is going to the left. You use the code block to program Scratch. And Y is up and down. That's true. All right, so we'll review all the answers for the Scratch, and congratulations again for Daniel, Timothy, and Yvonne for getting the most scores in this class. Yeah, so this is the last class, and next section will be next 2022 year, second or the third week of the January. So yeah. Good job, everybody. Remember to send your Scratch card or Scratch link to your friends and family to show them what you did. Any question before we leave? No? Okay, good job, everybody. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all.
Oh yeah, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, stay
Christmas
safe.
and Happy New Year.
Yeah, stay safe and
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Bye. Bye.
Bye, this is my Christmas gift.
Merry
Bye-bye.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Have a happy New Year.
Bye.
You too. Thank you, Clement. Thank you,
Bye.
Catherine. Thank you, Zoe. Have fun in Tahoe, Zoe. Bye.